Hello YouTube and welcome to another 360 video by 360 Guys. Tim Hortons is a Canadian multinational fast food restaurant chain. Based in Toronto, Tim Hortons serves coffee, donuts, and other fast food items. It is Canada's largest quick service restaurant chain with, ready for this, 4,846 restaurants in 14 countries. That's only until December 31st of 2018. The company was founded in 1964 in Hamilton, Ontario by Canadian hockey player Tim Horton and Jim Charade after an initial venture in hamburger restaurants. In 1967, Horton partnered with investor Ron Joyce, who assumed control over operations after Horton died in 1974. Joyce expanded the chain into a multi-billion-dollar franchise. Charade left the organization in 1966 and briefly returned in 1970 and then 1993 through 1996. On August 26, 2014, Burger King agreed to purchase Tim Hortons for, ready for it, $11.4 billion US dollars. The chain became a subsidiary of the Canadian holding company Restaurant Brands International, which is majority owned by Brazilian investment firm 3G Capital on December 15th of 2014. Well, we hope you enjoyed the tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you find yourself in our video, make sure to comment below. We're giving out prizes. Alternatively, if you're in the video and don't wish to be, we will gladly blur you out. Just let us know in the comments, and of course if you put a timestamp, that will definitely help. Remember, these videos are best enjoyed with VR headsets, and if you don't have one, click on our affiliate link in the description. It will help our channel. You can also enjoy this video with natural sound by following the link in the video description. Make sure to check our channel regularly, as we will be posting at least one new video every week. There's more where that came from.